Okay, so your job now is to send your ornament to the printer so it can be 3D printed. You can see this is all you have to do on Thursday. However, you have 2 circuits you need to do by the end of the day on Friday. So as soon as you're done sending your ornament to the printer on Thursday, go ahead and get started on your circuits for Friday. Okay, so to send your ornament to the printer, you need to go to your ornament. And you need to double check to make sure everything is grouped. Zoom all the way out to make sure there's nothing else around here, because if you have something like this where there's a box over here, and even though your ornament is here and you can't see it, when you send this to the printer, it stays digitally attached. So if you go to set it on the print bed, this is over here however far away it is from that object, and it would mess things up if it would even be printed. So you need to make sure to delete that. So you got your ornament. It's ready to be printed. What you do want to do is you want to go check out Greer Engineer, and you're going to go look at the 3D printing page and scroll all the way down, because right here it tells you what color, right here, what color is loaded to the printer. So you can see the small black one has red, the big black one has green, the blue one is printing blue, and the red one is printing silver glitter. Okay, so when you're in your ornament and you've made sure it's all together, you double checked that it is less than 45 that way and less than 45 the other directions, it's all one group. You want to go ahead and export, and then click 3D print and click Polar Cloud. And then you want to go ahead and continue to Polar Cloud. And it may ask you to sign in. If you've already signed into Polar Cloud, you don't have to worry about that. So you have your ornament here, and then you click 3D print, and you want to choose My Printer, and you click Send Job. And here is your ornament. So you can zoom around. You want to make sure that you click Place Object on the build plate. If your object is not round, if your object has a flat spot on it, you want that flat spot on the work plane, which I will show you in a moment. So for those of you that have a flat spot already on the work plane and it's good to go, you choose what printer you want. So I want this to go to here because I want it silver glitter. Then you go to print settings, and draft is fine, and fill 15. All of this is fine, but you want to make sure you have a raft selected, raft, and support of touching the build plate. We want supports for these because you have stuff sticking out, which means you're going to have to clean them up. There's going to be some cleaning that's going to be needed. So once you have that all ready to go, you're going to go ahead and hit print, and then I take it from there, and then you go back to Canvas to this assignment, and you click submit and submit it to me, which lets me know you have taken care of it. Okay, now let's talk other ornaments, other shapes. If your ornament has this shape, so tree, flat side, usually most of you build it so it's flat. You have a box, flat. Okay, if you made something that clearly we have a flat side, maybe you built yours like this. Okay, let's pretend this is your ornament. Put that at 0. Okay, you've built it, it's going upright, but you have a flat side. Watch what happens. So it's sticking up like this. You better make sure you have it named right. Greer Ornament 2. Okay, we're going to export it, 3D print, Polar Cloud, same as before. Continue to Polar Cloud. And you have to rotate this, because as you can see, it's sent to the printer, or to Polar Cloud straight up and down. You're going to have to rotate it because you want it flat on the work plane. So you're going to click on your object, and then you're going to click rotate. And you have these circles. You want to make sure it's on the work plane, and you're going to click them, and oh, that one doesn't do it. We don't want that one, so we want this one. Look at that. So you want to get this flat all the way down on the work plane. That's not going to work. So you got to rotate. Nope, nope, nope. You can also use these. You want this flat, smooth side down on the work plane 0. Nope, not that one. There you go. So you can see this is nice and level and flat now, and you want to bring it down to the work plane. So it's all the way down there, and then go back to move, and it's down. It's all the way down. And then you go again, print settings, and again, you want to make sure you have raft selected. So please make sure you're choosing raft and touching build plate. And this one I want to send to the blue inventor printer because I want blue, and double check. Oh, look, skirts. Make sure raft is selected, and then you go ahead and hit print. So that's all you have to do. If you have a tree, as long as you built the tree the right way, like ground up, you'll be fine. Most of you, how you've designed yours is fine. It's only if you've designed it so that there's a flat side on the back that you'll need to rotate it. Most of you won't have to rotate it. Okay? Have fun with this.